Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use UKG Pro for workforce management. First, download the UKG Pro app from the App Store or Google Play Store and sign in using your company credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the home screen where you can access your workforce management tools and employee information. Now, if you want to view or update your personal information, go to your profile section. Here you can review your contact details, HR information, and pay information. Next, if you need to clock in or clock out for work, tap the time or clock option from the dashboard. Then follow the on-screen prompts to record your work hours. After that, you can track your worked hours and review your time card. If required, you can approve your time card directly from the app. Now, if you need to request time off, go to the time off section. Select the dates you want, choose the reason, and submit your request for approval. Then, you can check your work schedule and stay updated on any schedule changes made by your manager. If your company uses goal tracking, go to the goals section. Here you can create professional goals, track your progress, and update completed tasks. Next, you can communicate with coworkers through the chat and engagement features. You can send messages, participate in team discussions, and join employee groups based on work or personal interests. You can also complete pulse surveys, provide feedback, and celebrate team achievements directly from the app. For managers, UKG Pro provides additional workforce management tools. Managers can review employee requests, approve time cards, manage exceptions, track goals, view reports and dashboards, and communicate with employees in real time. You can also receive push notifications for important updates, approvals, and workforce actions so you can respond quickly from anywhere. Keep in mind that some features may vary depending on your organization's settings and permissions. Your company administrator must enable access to certain workforce management tools. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.